So on occasion I have to work from the house, and working on a laptop is, most of you know, if you work on a desktop at work, a laptop at the house, working on a laptop is very constricting. The monitor size is small, the keyboard is small. Of course, you could always have a dedicated space to dock into that spot where you have a monitor, keyboard, full-size keyboard and whatnot. I don't have the luxury of that, so all I have is the kitchen table to work at every now and then. So I've come up with a solution for that. Okay, so I know this isn't really portable. This is literally 3 feet wide, 18 inches deep, and it's about 4 inches thick, or 4 1/4. And it's enough to accommodate a full-size keyboard, a monitor, mouse pad, and a little docking station to plug in my laptop to it. So let me show you what it looks like when I open it up. This is what it looks like. I have the wire that goes actually to the laptop here. Just kind of hide the laptop behind here. And I have a dock that actually everything plugs into, the keyboard or mouse, whatnot, plugs into the dock. And then that dock plugs into the laptop. I do have a little safety hinge here to keep it from wanting to fall back on me if it wants to. So that'll keep it upright. It doesn't fall backwards due to the way the hinge is done, and the extra wood back there. It doesn't want to fall. And on the left hand side, I have the power for the monitor. It's just an extension cord. When I don't need it, I just roll it up and throw it in here. This is the docking station that's actually used for the keyboard, mouse, monitor to plug into. That way it's a single cable going to my laptop. So yeah, this is not super portable, but it's nice to have a full-size keyboard and monitor workstation when you don't have room for that workstation. So when I'm not using it, all I have to do is undo this, throw this wire inside, throw the power cable inside, and close this up. This monitor is held in with the Visa mount on the back, with screws literally through the birch plywood, and I got regular 1x pine, all the rest of it. And it's sitting on a towel just so I don't scratch up the table too much. But this is my somewhat portable workstation. Hopefully it helps someone out and gives you some ideas of some things to do, kind of work around not having room for a dedicated computer space, but you do have a laptop and a table. Maybe you can take my idea and run with it and see what else you can come up with. All right, thanks for watching.